Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the organizer's plan and that there's room to share. Once done, open settings and send family sharing invites to each person. They must accept. Make sure you enable the shared storage option in the organizer's account. This creates the pool everyone draws from. You'll assign members to that pool now, so storage becomes visible on their devices. Do this before moving files, otherwise devices may keep using individual storage and cause confusion. Now configure each member's access so sharing works smoothly. You'll have members go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and accept joining, then choose which folders, backups, and photo libraries use shared storage. Once set, you can fine-tune per member limits or temporary overrides if someone needs extra space. Make sure device syncs fully after changes, otherwise apps may still reference old storage paths. If you manage children's accounts, confirm age and permissions, so automatic finish by verifying everything synced. Check the organizer's storage dashboard to see used versus shared allocation and confirm each device shows cloud backups. Move large files into shared folders to free personal storage and ensure automatic backups are targeting the pool. If something goes wrong, sign the user out and back in, restart their device, or remove and re-invite the person. This often resolves permission or sync glitches. If the problem persists, check that the plan is active and that no account exceeded provider limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.